Runner5, and this is pretty much what happens when we go over to my friend's house. That white house behind the tree, that's his house. Right there. Whenever we go over there, birds start swarming around us and try and kill us. It's pretty freaky.
Uh-oh.
Okay. At the end of this video, I'm probably going to run away from the house like a baby, but who cares? Birds are already coming. This is freaking me out. There's the nest they're protecting. Birds everywhere. Oh my god. This is freaky.
Ethan, just at the door. Ethan, you're gonna get killed.
I'm not gonna get killed, Natalie.
Click on that button.
That's all birds.
Get behind the door.
All birds. Birds everywhere. And just that small nest is what they're protecting. I think we should go now. Oh, they're getting closer when they swoop. Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Run! Now we're gonna stop at the bathrooms. Okay? I'm running on 5, and that's what happens when we try to attack a bird's nest.